These are 3-note, 3-string forward rolls. A forward roll means playing 2 downstrokes and 1 upstroke. Let me play what we're going to do first. So, we start off with the G, played so over 3 strings, 4th, 3rd and 2nd string. I'm going to play 2 downstrokes and 1 up. That's the roll. Then the next chord is 2nd finger on the 4th string, open, 3rd, 1st finger stays where it is. And the whole thing down 2 frets to the C. So it's staying on the C. Now you've got a string jump. So we play the 4th, string jump to the 5th, and then open. It's actually a G chord, but with using the 2nd finger, 2nd fret, which is a B. Do it all once again slowly. And I'm doing all this without looking at my right hand or my left hand. Probably when you first start off, you probably need to look at the right hand to get it accurate, but the goal is to do it without looking at the instrument. That's it. See you next time.